Now, why Rutherford model of the atom allow the alpha particle to fall on a thin gold foil? There are the various reasons. He selected the gold foil because, why he selected gold foil? Because he wanted a thin layer as possible. Very much thin layer he want. So this gold foil was about 1000 atom thick, and thin layer can be made of the gold atoms only. Very thin layer. And alpha particle are the doubly charged helium ion. Now what does it mean? Doubly charged means it contains two positive charge on helium atom. When helium contains the two positive charge, that are known as alpha particle, and they have a mass of 4u, and they are the fast moving and have a considerable, that is lot amount of energy. That's why alpha particles are used in this experiment. It was expected that a particle would be deflected by subatomic particle in the gold atom, because gold atom can deflect this alpha particle. Since alpha particle were much heavier than the proton, he did not expect to such a large deflection, because as we have discussed that proton contain the charge plus 1 unit, but alpha particle contain the charge plus 2 unit. So alpha particles contain the charge greater, and alpha particles are heavier. It contain the mass of 4 unit, and proton contain the mass of 1 unit. So alpha particle are much heavier than that of the proton. So that's why a very large deflections will occur. Now what will happen? This is the case taken by the Rutherford experiment. What Rutherford take? Rutherford take an atom consisting of positive charge and electrons surround them. This is Rutherford's alpha scattering experiment. Now, why I have taken here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus? Because these are the alpha particle. Alpha particle are the helium 2 plus. That's why they are carrying a 2 positive charge. Clear?